The following is a clip from my latest class at digitalartacademy.com. The class is called Advanced Landscape Painting, and in this class you'll learn how to paint 4 different kinds of landscapes. One of which is this farm scene with a stormy sky pouring down rain, and there's a lightning bolt piercing the sky, and I'll go ahead and show you how you can paint the lightning bolt. If you're interested in learning how to do the rest of the painting, you can go ahead and sign up for the class anytime. Let's create a new layer above the sky, and we will call it Bolt. And for our bolt, we want to use the scratchboard tool and white. And you'll want to use a pretty thin diameter brush, something maybe like this, and you'll want to have an even line width all the way down. If you really kind of make your hand move around a lot, that's going to make a more interesting lightning bolt. So something like that works. You want it to try to be a little more angular rather than smooth. So I'm really just kind of wiggling my hand as I'm drawing. Now the trick to making this glow is we want to duplicate this layer twice. So I'm going to right click on it and go to duplicate layer. I'm going to do it one more time, and we'll call this Bolt Glow 1 and Bolt Glow 2. We'll set both of these to screen for the composite method. And then now we'll just hide these layers temporarily. Go back to the bolt layer. We will go to Effects, Focus, Soften. And we want to apply a somewhere around a 1.8 or 1.7 circular blur, so it just blurs it a little bit. Makes it look more like glowing light. And then we'll unhide the Bolt Glow 1 layer, and we will go to Effects, Focus, Soften again. And this time we will increase the radius until you see this halo surrounding the lightning bolt. You don't want it to be too big, so I'm going to use 7.9. Here we have our first halo. We will unhide the Bolt Glow 2 layer, and we'll apply another Effects, Focus, Soften, and we will make the radius even bigger, something like that. Now we will turn on Preserve Transparency and select the Bolt Glow 1 layer. We will use the scratchboard tool to fill this with maybe a purple color like this. See how this looks, it gives it a bit of a glow. We'll go to the Bolt Glow 2 layer and we'll select maybe a blue like this. And then you can use the digital airbrush if you want to kind of vary the color of the lightning bolt glow. So for instance, I used a little bit of red, and then I'll use a little bit of yellow there, and now there's a kind of rainbow effect going on through this lightning bolt here. Now when you're done with your lightning bolt, you can go ahead and select all of the bolt layers together, and you can merge them into a single layer. I want to make it a screen composite method again, so that it blends with the background more naturally. And then turn off Preserve Transparency and create a mask, because we want to mask off some of the upper edge so it looks like it's covered by the cloud. So make sure you're in the mask, select black, and then select the digital airbrush tool, and then just paint along the edge a little bit here to make it look like it's kind of covered up, just in a couple little spots there. Now we want to put a little bit of a glow where it's popping out of the cloud there, so we'll create a new layer. We'll call it Bolt Glow. We'll set the composite method to screen, and we'll select the glow brush. We'll use white this time, and we'll paint kind of right where the lightning bolt is emanating. We'll paint over the lightning bolt a little bit to make it glow a little more. You can use some color if you want. You can pick kind of a darker color and a bigger brush and really make some light coming out of that area. Change the hue of it. This helps it look a little more natural. Alright, so that's how to paint a lightning bolt. If you want to learn how to paint rain and the rest of the scene, as well as the other 3 paintings in this series, you can go to digitalartacademy.com, look under the Courses tab, and then look for my Advanced Landscape Painting course. You can click on More Info and Registration. That'll show you the syllabus and all of the class information, and then you can just create an account and then click on the Enroll Now button, and you can get started anytime. Since the class is Open Studio, there isn't a time limit, so you can work on the paintings at your own pace. I hope to see you there.